Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll just be showing you guys how I achieve a sleek braided ponytail look. And for the products, I'll be going in with some Eco Styling Gel, Braiding Gel for my edges, and also I'll be using the French curl braiding hair. So starting off on freshly washed hair, since my hair is really thick right now, I'm just going to separate it into two parts. So I'll be creating a ponytail for the back section first, and then I'm just going to twist up the front section of my hair just to move it out the way. So since my hair is starting to dry off a little bit, I'm going to go back in with my spray bottle and just redampen my hair. And then after that, I'm going to go in with some Eco Styling Gel and apply that to the back of my hair. Also, I do want to make this as flat and smooth as possible. So I'm not being shy with this Eco Styling Gel. And then I'm just going to go on with my brush and just smooth out all the knots and tangles that I feel. And hopefully I can get this into a ponytail. I mean, I know I can get it into a ponytail, but my hair is so thick. If you can tell, I was struggling trying to get all this hair to fit in this scrunchie, but I made it work. So for the front section, I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did to the back. I'm going to go back in with my spray bottle and just redampen my hair. I do want to kind of define my middle part a little bit. I mean, you can do a side part, you can do a middle part, or you can, brush it straight back. But I prefer a middle part, so I'm just going to straighten that up. And then I'm going to go back in with my Eco Styling Gel and smooth it out and make it as flat as possible. Now the front of my hair is a lot thinner compared to the back. So for me, I know a lot of people like to do this hairstyle on blow dry hair. Me personally, I feel like I can get my hair to lay down a lot flatter when it's a little wet, especially if I'm using Eco Styling Gel. Eco Styling Gel will not work on my hair if it's dry. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to brush my hair back until I get it laying the way that I want. And also I'm gonna take some edges out on the side. And then after I do that, I'm just gonna combine it to the ponytail in the back. So starting off with the braiding process, I braid my hair down about 4 or 5 times first. This was honestly a struggle within itself. And then I took 1/4 section of the braiding hair and I'm just adding it between my thumb and index finger. And I braid down about 2 times. And then I add another piece of braiding hair and I just continue to braid all the way down to my desired length. Now, when I'm adding another piece of braiding hair, I always make sure to add it on the same side. Since I am right-handed, I always add it in on my right side. So right now, I'm just going to continue to braid all the way down. And until I get to my desired length, I secure it with a rubber band. So this is the final look. I do feel like I should have maybe added in 2 more pieces of braiding hair, but then again, I only kept this hairstyle in for 1 day. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next video.